We are pleased to show you the 2018 G80. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.8-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, driver attention alert system, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electroluminescent instrumentation, multifunction display, multifunctional information center, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.